So Valentine's Day is coming up, and I am just the worst at picking gifts. So I made these little cards so that my wife has to do the picking. In here, I've got all kinds of stuff. I got flowers, more flowers, and just to spice things up, a box of chocolates. So what I do is I'll mix up the cards and I'll call my wife over and she'll pick. Now, if she picks the bottom, she'll get flowers. If she picks the top card, let's see, she'll get flowers. And if she picks that middle card, well, she'll get flowers because I cheat. Hey, good chocolates are expensive. Anyway, after a few years, she actually started catching on to this and she made me show her that there were, in fact, chocolates in the pack. And I said, baby, I love you so much. This year, I made them all chocolates. And I showed her the top, the bottom, and the middle. So anyway, she was about to pick when she grabbed my wrist and made me turn over the cards. And she said, aha, you're cheating. And I said, yeah. Because at that point, you just have to own it. And so she said, well then, I get the flowers and the chocolates. And I said, fine, that's fair. I deserve that. And she said, I'm not done. I get to pick a card. And I said, wait, what about these? And she said, no, I get to pick. And I picked this one. And you know, this year, I ended up having to get her a diamond ring because I guess she cheats better than I do.